Hello, and welcome to the introduction of my YouTube series on the implementation of Python for petroleum engineering. In this series we will be using Python programming language, which is a high-level general-purpose programming language. The best thing about Python is that it is easy to understand, due to the structure of the programming language's readability. We will be using a text editor called Visual Studio Code, or VS Code for short. For anyone that doesn't know what a text editor is, a text editor in the field of coding and programming is any computer program that allows a user to enter, change, store, and print text file, which is usually code we want to implement. We are going to be starting from the basics of writing Python codes using examples. Once that is covered, we will then be linking that to petroleum engineering calculations and applications. I will also be covering more complicated concepts in petroleum engineering like regression and some machine learning examples. And don't worry, I will also cover how to export your results to an Excel spreadsheet file. Each video will be between 4 to 5 minutes, so as not to make you feel overloaded and tired. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell icon, so that you will be notified when each new video is uploaded to YouTube. Thank you.